Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy and cheap pumpkin out of pallet wood. All you need is a few basic tools. We've got this design here and we've also got this design here. All can be done with minimal tools. Got a lot to get covered, so let's get started. This is a very simple design. This is just two bits of wood that slot inside each other. So I'm just choosing any old length, so you could do any old size if you want. And then I'm finding the center point of both bits of wood, and then measuring the thickness of the wood and making sure they both have a big enough gap in between them so they slide on together. And then I draw the stalk on the top. I just use the jigsaw for cutting these out. Pretty simple thing to do. Had a bit of problems getting it in there. Cut off all the corners and cut out the stalk, and they just slid together. Now I'm torching it to go for a nice torch look, brush it off, and then I'll be staining it orange. Make sure you're wearing a mask when you're doing this because it gets very dusty. What a nice bright orange that is. Leave it to soak in for a while, then I'll rub it off with a paper towel. And then I finish it with some water-based varnish. This will help the colour pop when it dries. And there you go, what do you think? I'm really happy with them. This is a very simple design. I'm just sorting out some wood, trying to find the same thickness wood to make this a bit easier, giving it a quick sand. And now I'm just trimming down so I can get two pumpkins out of the same lot of wood. These are just some runners I'm gluing to the back, hold it all together. If you had a brad nailer, this would be the perfect opportunity for this, but I don't, so I'm just using wood glue and super glue to help speed this up. And I just turn it over to finish off the last two slats. And then now I'm just using a jigsaw to cut around and design the stalk. And cut them out very quickly with the jigsaw as well. So I mixed some acrylic paint together to get the orange I like here. I wasn't too happy with the colour of how the other one came out. I think it's too light, so I do end up mixing a bit more water and giving it another sort of more of a water wash over the top. Glue on the stalk, and again I give that a quick coat of varnish. And it's finished. Another great pumpkin, quick and easy build. Thank you for watching this far through the video. I hope you enjoyed these two quick pallet wood pumpkin builds. I used two completely different designs. I went for like the cube of this one, which is just two bits of wood with a middle bit cut out and a slid together. As you can see, I made a big one in the video, and I'd prove you could also make a small one. They look just as good. I then joined together a load of slats and cut a pumpkin shape out of them. Yeah, and painted them orange. And you know, this one's a bit my sort of usual sort of burnt sort of orange look. I think they both look great. They both come out looking just the way I expected them to do. And yeah, this is just going to be a quick project to do with Halloween and the fall. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed these two quick projects. If you like what you're seeing and would like to subscribe, that would be great. It would help out the channel. If you could leave down the comments down below if there's anything you would have done differently, or if you would like to see a different kind of pumpkin maybe in a future video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you. If you enjoyed this quick pallet wood pumpkin video, then why don't you check out this video right here, which I think you would also enjoy. If you haven't subscribed already, if you can click the button on this side, this will also help out the channel a lot. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.